Hi friends, I'm going to introduce about this abacus tool. This is the frame of the abacus tool. This is the roll. This is the bar. You can call it as separator also. And this is the unit point. This is the roll. This is upper beat. This is lower beat. Thank you all. Now I am going to show you unit place. This is unit place. This is tens place. And this is hundreds place. I am going to show you 1 to 9. You have to keep your hand like this and hold your abacus tool like this, and you have to use your thumb finger to add 1, less 1.